My name's Mark Berryman. I'm the director of Mark Berryman Design. We're based on the south coast of England in the New Forest, and we specialise in the interiors of luxury super yachts. Designing top-end luxury motor yachts for clients, we always find that we need the best possible suppliers and products that we can get our hands on. And many years ago we were first introduced to Garrett Leather, and they produce an absolutely fantastic array of leathers which we just keep coming back to because the quality is there, their professional approach is really, really good, and we were happy to collaborate on this new exclusive collection. It gave us the opportunity to develop a line of products that we felt were missing on the open market. So we're always looking for natural materials for our interiors, as we feel this is the most calming of environments that we can produce. And our local surroundings really lend themselves to that. When you walk through the forest and you see the textures of the bark and the trees and the leaves, all of those have a big influence on the way we like to design our interiors. And what we tend to find is that the most important part is reducing stress. And a natural environment always does that. So this new collection really lends itself to what we want to produce for our high-end luxury interiors.
The New Forest collection, Exbury, Keyhaven, Bolderwood and Hawkhill, are inspired by the idyllic glades and ancient woodlands of the New Forest Nature Reserve. Distinguishing colors are selected with intention to capture the visual serenity of the organic world. As the hides tumble in massive rotating drums, the dyes penetrate the leather, and the first step of our process is set in motion. Next, the vision takes shape as hides are embossed by etched steel plates. Leather artisans with specially formulated mixtures of complementing colors produce a custom antique finish. The intricate hand transfer process enhances the leather's depth and nuances of color. This two-tone appearance ensures a beautifully versatile and enduring product. Exbury's decadent details are exemplified with its large grain pattern. A spectacular collision of color and texture will rejuvenate your senses. Channel the undulating shoreline and sensation of strolling a gravelly coastal footpath with Keyhaven. Relaxed and restful, this small grain leather embodies the unique colors and shapes of eroded rocks where fossils have embedded. Earthy and layered, Bolderwood harkens the sanctuary of an ancient coniferous canopy. The embossed pattern evokes the rich resolute of the undisturbed woodland floor. The mysterious continuity of the forest is embodied by Hawkhill. This rough-out leather reflects the adaptability of our ever-evolving organic world. The serene colors of the New Forest collection reflect nature's palette and have a calming influence that beautifully brings the outdoors into interiors. These exquisite leathers are versatile and harmonize well with other materials. The New Forest collection can be used in any way you desire to create timeless appeal for any space or application. When it comes to incorporating Exbury, Keyhaven, Bolderwood and Hawkhill into your designs, imagination is your only limitation.
We feel that this collaboration has been the perfect partnership and has produced an absolutely fantastic new exclusive collection.